The science of rain.
Rain is part of the hydrological cycle, which is essential for sustaining life on Earth. It begins with evaporation, where water from oceans, lakes, and rivers transforms into vapor and rises into the atmosphere. As this vapor cools, it condenses into tiny droplets, forming clouds. When these droplets coalesce and grow heavy enough, they fall back to the ground as precipitation, rain. The amount and frequency of rainfall can vary significantly based on geographical location, season, and climatic conditions.
Types of rainfall.
1. Convectional rainfall. This type occurs when the sun heats the Earth's surface, causing warm air to rise. As it ascends, it cools and condenses into clouds that eventually release rain. This is common in tropical regions. 2. Orographic rainfall. When moist air encounters mountain ranges, it is forced to rise. As it ascends, it cools and precipitates on the windward side of the mountains, creating lush vegetation. The leeward side often experiences a rain shadow effect, resulting in drier conditions. 3. Frontal rainfall. This occurs when warm air meets cold air. The warm air rises over the cold air mass, leading to cooling and condensation. This type of rainfall is common in temperate regions and often associated with storms.
The ecological impact of rain.
Rain is vital for ecosystems across the globe. It replenishes water supplies for plants and animals, supports agriculture, and maintains natural habitats. 1. Nourishing flora. Rain provides essential moisture for plant growth. In forests, rainwater seeps into the soil, allowing trees and underbrush to thrive. Tropical rainforests rely heavily on consistent rainfall to sustain their rich biodiversity. The Amazon rainforest alone receives an average of 1,750 millimeters (69 inches) of rain annually, which supports countless species of plants and animals. 2. Supporting fauna. Aquatic ecosystems benefit immensely from rainfall as well. Rivers and lakes receive fresh water from rain, which helps maintain their ecological balance. Rain also influences breeding cycles for many species. For instance, amphibians often time their reproductive activities with rainy seasons to ensure their offspring have sufficient water to thrive. 3. Soil health. Rain plays a critical role in soil health by facilitating nutrient cycling. It dissolves minerals in the soil and transports them to plants while also encouraging microbial activity that breaks down organic matter. However, excessive rainfall can lead to soil erosion and nutrient runoff into waterways, causing pollution and degradation of aquatic habitats.
The human experience of rain. Rain affects human life in profound ways, socially, culturally, and emotionally. 1. Cultural significance.
Throughout history, rain has been celebrated in various cultures as a symbol of fertility and renewal. Many agricultural societies rely on seasonal rains for crop production. Thus, rain dances or rituals are common in cultures around the world as a way to invoke favorable weather conditions.
2. Architectural considerations.
In urban environments, architects must consider rainfall when designing buildings and infrastructure. Effective drainage systems are crucial to prevent flooding during heavy rains. Additionally, materials used in construction must withstand moisture to avoid deterioration over time.
3. Emotional responses.
Rain can evoke a wide range of emotions in people. For some, it brings feelings of calmness and nostalgia. The sound of raindrops tapping against windows can create a cozy atmosphere ideal for reflection or relaxation. For others, especially those affected by severe weather events like storms or floods, rain can induce anxiety or fear.
The aesthetic quality of rain.
The aesthetic experience of rain is rich and varied.
1. Visual beauty.
Raindrops glistening on leaves or puddles reflecting city lights create stunning visuals that can inspire artists and photographers alike.
2. Auditory experience.
The sound of rain can be soothing or invigorating depending on its intensity. Gentle drizzles can lull one into tranquility, while heavy downpours may evoke excitement.
3. Tactile sensation.
Experiencing rain firsthand, feeling droplets on your skin or splashing through puddles, can awaken a sense of childlike joy or freedom.
The challenges posed by rain.
While rain is essential for life, it can also pose challenges.
1. Flooding.
Heavy rainfall can lead to flooding, a natural disaster that affects millions worldwide each year. Flooding can destroy homes, displace communities, damage infrastructure, and lead to loss of life.
2. Soil erosion.
Intense rains can wash away topsoil, a critical component for agriculture, leading to decreased fertility and increased desertification in affected area.
3. Water quality issues.
Excessive rainfall can lead to runoff that carries pollutants into rivers and lakes, degrading water quality and harming aquatic ecosystems.
Climate change and rain patterns.
Climate change is altering precipitation patterns globally.
1. Increased intensity.
Many regions are experiencing more intense rainfall events due to climate change, leading to greater risks of flooding.
2 shifts in distribution.
Some areas may become drier while others receive more rain than usual. This unpredictability poses challenges for agriculture and water management.
3. Ecosystem disruption.
Changes in rainfall patterns affect plant growth cycles and animal behaviors, disrupting established ecosystems.
Conclusion.
Rain is an essential element of our planet's ecosystem that influences everything from agriculture to architecture while evoking deep emotional responses within us all. Its dual nature, as both a nurturing force and a potential harbinger of disaster, reminds us of our connection to nature's rhythms. As we navigate challenges posed by climate change and urbanization, understanding the complexities surrounding rain becomes increasingly important for fostering resilience within our communities and ecosystems alike. Whether it brings joy or sorrow, rain remains an enduring symbol of life's cycles, a reminder that from every storm comes renewal and growth.